An important concept in decision analysis is the value of information. Uncertainty is one of the main reasons why decision-making is hard, and on the face of it, more information is better. But sometimes information comes at a cost. It could be either the direct cost of finding out more or the cost of delay or missed opportunity while we wait for things to play out. Fortunately, decision analysis provides a rigorous way to estimate the value of information. We can use this to help us determine if we should make the decision now or pay to resolve some uncertainty. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the DPL 9 Professional version. Here in front of me, I have a simple DPL model that analyzes a product launch decision. We have a new product that's a few years from launch, and you can see in the decision tree that we're trying to decide if we should continue to develop the project as planned, spend more money to get it to market sooner, or terminate the project if we don't think it will be a winner. I'm going to run a decision analysis to see what the model is telling us. Right now it looks like approving the project is the best alternative with an expected value of 5.6 million, but the analysis is ongoing and we haven't made a final decision. To gain a better understanding of what is driving the value in the project, I'm going to do a sensitivity analysis. As you can see, the tornado diagram indicates that the most important factor is market share. Some people in the marketing department have suggested we hire a market research firm to estimate how our product will shape up against our competitors. Should we do that? How much is that information worth? To get some idea, we'll look at the value of information for market share. DPL can do this automatically, but I'll do it by rearranging the tree to illustrate how it works. By moving the market share chance node ahead of the decision in the decision tree, I'm saying that when we make that decision, we know with certainty what market share will be. This is what we call perfect information. We know everything there is to know about a particular uncertainty before we make that decision. Perfect information comes from extremely accurate tests or from waiting to see what happens. Now I'm going to run a decision analysis again to see how much better we can do with that information. In the policy tree, we see that the expected value is now 9.6 million, 4 million more than before. Where does that value come from? Let's look at the tree. First comes the market share chance node with 3 branches, then the decision made in each of those 3 scenarios. You can see the optimal decision policy as the boldface line. When market share is low, we reject the project because the other 2 alternatives both have negative expected value. When market share is nominal or high, we go ahead and approve the project, as we would have if we didn't have this information about market share. The ability to change our decision in response to the information is the source of value. Now that you know what the value of information means and how it's calculated, you may want to use the automatic feature. DPL can calculate the value of information and of control for all chance nodes automatically as a part of a decision analysis run. First, I'm going to put my tree back where it was, with the decision up front. My old tree was the regular default tree that DPL built automatically, so I can just click the default tree button to get it back. Now I'll run a decision analysis, this time checking VOIC, which stands for Value of Information and Control. On the VOIC chart, the red bars show the value of information for each uncertainty. The y-axis is the baseline expected value of the model, 5.6 million. The red bar for market share is at about 9.6 million, the same as the value we calculated. The yellow bars show the value of control, or how much better we could do if we could choose an outcome for each uncertainty. The value of control is normally higher than the value of information. It's good to know what market share will be, but it would be even better to force it to be high. In this video, we explained the concepts of the value of perfect information and control, and showed you that DPL can calculate these for you automatically when you run a decision analysis. Both are useful concepts to give you an idea of how much you might be willing to spend to gain more information or remove uncertainty. However, more commonly you will have imperfect information, which tells you something about the uncertainty, but not enough that it's totally resolved. Thank you for watching this video. You can download a trial version of DPL Professional from our website and try this feature out for yourself.